This is the presentation of the feasibility study management database on Microsoft Access. Here is the first window or logon menu. We have to enter the user ID, then the password, then press logon. Immediately after appeared the second or main menu where the feasibility study management there are different forms and different documentation to access. Here is the logo of the company. These are the icon for printing project balance report, printing feasibility status report. If we select the first icon of feasibility assignation, immediately after appear on window a feasibility study assign form. The first one is a transaction number, the assigned date, the study code, employment ID number, assigned hours, charge hour cost per assigned hours. There is an icon for print the form and also for exit. If we press the budget administration, then immediately after appear the administration budget window, where there we could find a transaction number, project expense, project balance, project ID number. Here are, for example, record 25 transaction numbers. For example, here the transaction number 3, the project expense is amount of the $3,000. The project balance here, for example, is 0, project ID number 3. Then we could press exit. If we select companies, we enter to the company information form, where there we could find the company ID number, the name, the street number, box, city, state, date established, and company service. Also have the print form icon and the exit icon. If we select the document, immediately after appear a window with the document information form, and here we could find the document ID number, the description, the type, trace number, document complete, station number, feasibility ID number. Also included the print form icon and exit icon. If we select the employees, we could find the employee information form, where we could find the ID number, first name, last name, address numbers, address street, sector name, postal code, and an employee photo and the employee position code. Also included the print form icon and the exit icon. Here are different or 25 records. For example, here is Ann Bonilla. The ID number is 501-000003. The address number 1316, address street 10, sector name Sierra Bayamon, and the postal code 00961. The employee position code 3. If we could select 4, we could find Richard. 5, we could find Robert, then Joshua, then William, then Deborah, then Ronald, then Maria Ayala, then Ann Stevenson, and so on. If we could select employee position, we could find in the employee position form the position code, name, supervisor, salary, 22, company ID number 10000020, and the employee ID number reference. Also the print form and the exit icon. If we select the feasibility studies, immediately after appear administration of feasibility studies form and include the information of the feasibility ID number, submitted date, study brief description, study code, feasibility name, feasibility status if it's completed or not, and the document ID. Also include the print form and the exit icon. There's different information. We could also press here to exit. On the hour registry, we could find a window where are the hours, the register form for transaction number, company ID number, project ID number, hour in, hour out, transaction date, total work hour. Also, there are 25 examples of the hour registry form to create the database. Also include the print form and the exit icon icon. On the map icon, we could select a map form that includes the map ID number, the name, the employee ID number, the document ID number. Also include the print form and the exit. To develop the database, we enter non-real data, 25 examples from Atorrey, Roosevelt, Domenech, Piñeiro, Universidad Río Piedras, Centro Médico, San Francisco, Las Lomas, Martínez Nadal, Jardines, Deportivo, Bayamón, and so on. For the permissions icon, we could find the permission form window, and there are the ID number, the name, the document ID number, the print form and exit icon, and there are 41 examples with non-real data entered to develop the database. Included the logo of the company and the name of the icon that we entered before appear this window. For example, there is permiso de CIPR, permiso Junta de Planificación, permiso Instituto de Cultura. There are some examples of permits here in Puerto Rico on some agencies or government agencies here in Puerto Rico. Also include the print form and exit icon. For the projects, appear a window, and there are information for projects that are related to the feasibility studies. To develop the database, in this part, we include the ID number, the name, location, type, money, requirement ID number. We create a 25 sample of non-real data project. We name it as this example, number 2, Sagrado Corazon Engineering, location Sagrado Corazon, type engineering, money 200,000, and requirement ID 8. Also include the exit and the print form. Also the X here for exit also of this window. To show you if the print form icon works, we could print a form here. After the printer uploading, we could exit here and continue with the requirement icon. Here appear a window that appear the project requirement form, and we create the ID number, the name, the permission ID number. For example, here we could find the ID number 1, name it lane num 10 calidad ambiental. Permission ID 10.0000001. Also include the print form icon and the exit icon. Here we enter 33 examples to create the database, and use not real data to create the database. Another project requirement form. Here are reglamento del CIPR, reglamento Junta de Planificación, and so on. We could exit here. For the station, appear a window created, named train station form. This window includes the station number, the name, station postal code, status, map ID, number. There we enter 25 example. We include also the print form icon and the exit icon. For the studies window, we could enter the study form, and here we create this window using code, class, and feasibility ID number. The code for this example is 1, class technical, feasibility ID number 1. Also include 25 example with no real data. If we go enter to the feasibility study assignment form, we could enter. Here is a problem with there. Direct me to the exit. And we could exit here from the Microsoft Access. The database was developed for an information system and database course. The course includes or covers database management system, architecture, relational database, design techniques, and model and conceptual database, logical design, physical design, query language, and normalization. A database project is developed in a teamwork using a computer software. Here we identify the principle of data management, identify the fundamental aspect of designing and manipulating a database, design the skill of how to design a database schema structure, create query to the database, design a usable database system, and use Access software for the application of the required database. This project is to design and create a relational database using Microsoft Access Suite. The student must formulate SQL query, recognize data architecture and their managerial implications. Also recognize the contemporary issue in the development of the database and report the database project to classmates and instructors. This course contributes to the professional career and providing to the industrial engineering student the opportunity to develop a database in a real operation of any manufacturing service company of Puerto Rico. This project was developed in the Tren Urbano office located at the 65 Infantry Avenue in Atorrey, Puerto Rico. The Tren Urbano is an efficient, reliable, and accessible transportation system. It is suitable for the accelerated growth of the population and future necessities and a safe and quick travel way. The Tren Urbano covers 17.2 kilometers between Bayamón, Guaynabo, Centro Médico, Rio Piedras, Atorrey, and Santurce. There are 16 strategic located stations are focused to many job and business opportunities.